give their happiness. No amount of money can give their happiness. That freedom does. Long live our nation. Good morning, all of you. I am Afifa Mayam. I am in grade 5. I stand here to put across my views about Independence Day. Friends, today is Independence Day and I wish you a happy Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. This year we are celebrating 78th Independence Day of our country. It is very important day of our country. It is the greatest festival of democracy.